game. It was excellent.
Excellent.
So yeah, we were happy that Pune has won.
And finally Pune won. So hip hip hurrah!
The match was really tight, and the Northeast players really improved from the first match.
Top of the table, 2 points clear.
2 games, 2 wins, top of the
2
league.
games, 2 wins, clean sheet. What more you could
What
ask?
can you ask for? Yeah,
You can't ask for
exactly.
more.
Do you think we were lucky to go into the first half break like 0-0?
Yes,
Because they had some good chances.
Because they have certain chances, but they didn't convert.
got some
And,
goals,
and, and
yeah.
to be honest, this is the first time our defense got checked, because
Yeah.
we faced lots of challenges and some miscommunication was there. But there is one big man, Big Jono.
Yeah.
Johnson was there.
Johnson was.
It was a KG game. We came out with a 1-0 win. That's really important for our team. What do you think that does for confidence?
Yeah, it obviously increases the confidence because the Indian players that are playing are not the regular ones which we thought would play. The 4 of our big guys are not here, and so now what I'm waiting for is those 4 guys and these other guys full of confidence because of these 2 wins will make us win the league this time.
I think the defense would take a lot, positives from this game because it was a new centre back pairing.
Exactly, yeah.
Rava and
Quite a lot of changes in the squad today. Yeah.
Rava and Roger Johnson. So it's difficult even for them to play the first game together in the centre of defense.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But I think they would love the clean sheet.
Any other performances you guys thought exceptional?
Puya.
Roger Johnson.
Roger Johnson, yes.
Compared to the first game, Zakora had a far better game in central midfield firstly. And Jendrik Ruiz, man. Did that guy miss a header? Like he won every single header during the game.
Consistent from the first game.
Exactly.
Do you think this year you'll come back for the next couple?
Yes,
of years?
we're coming. We're coming.